Drone footage shows Russian special forces destroying a Ukrainian pickup truck near Alexandrograd. A soldier jumps out moments before impact, narrowly escaping death in the Vremevsky direction. A Russian soldier planting mines was spotted by a Ukrainian drone near Pokrovsk. He tried to escape into a trench but was likely hit by the blast. On July 17th, in the Lyman direction, a Russian motorcyclist was rushing ahead, unaware that Ukrainian FPV drone operators from the Signum Battalion were already tracking him from above. As the Russian invader moved forward confidently, the drone closed in like a bird of prey. Within seconds, it struck with deadly precision, ending his journey instantly. Other Russian troops arrived moments later to recover the body, dragging him into the bushes. But it was too late. In this war, the one who sees first wins.